hot. Well, it's
Smell this.
It's hot. Well, it's gonna be hot. It's a blow dryer. I'm blow drying my hair back and forth. No. What are we doing? Now we have to fix it. Oh boy. With my hair back and forth. We should put that on. High pitched scream. What? Ew! What are you fucking? Cause you blow drying my hair over here.
No, what should we do next? We have matching shirts, matching hair. What? My glasses.
Hold on, I'll be right back. Are they in my room?
I found your glasses.
Oh, okay, I feel like pose like. See, we're cool. We have matching shirts. And
Which one looks better? Mine do, cause I'm cool like that. What?
oh, not cool.
Why?
Now my hair is like curled out.
We're gonna stop. Bye, guys. Have a life. I mean, next life. Bye.